Question the lakadujine exercise 9.6. Shida tokadujine linear differential equations ko. Shika minus solve tokani habagi pone. Koi shum yengji koi exercise 9.1 na koi order degree haiba mayam tawore differential equation na magina tra my order hayo degree hayo dum tung na koi katawi exercise 9.2 da koi particular solution puthokpa natra condition khat pirama x y value pirama kanda natra general solution puthokpa natra adigi exercise 9.3 da kadawra koi general solution nama piramani aduga differential equation form tawena formation of differential equation haitare koi from general equation dagi yenga kanda semba haitare ko dom exercise 9.3 tawra 9.4 da tawra ijina mo koi sida lakadore koi differential equation solving tawse ko exercise 9.4 ne natra 9.5 da tawhiba do hoji lakadore 9.6 ko 9.4 da tawjina koi variable separation method taraga sijina natra variable separable method sijina kanda koi solve tawa ko adum tawra 9.4 da 9.5 da nakadawgi homogeneous ko homogeneous differential equation common homogeneous over debra koi separate taw yadabado ko variable separate taw yadaba adum ba equation duni ko homogeneous differential equation sam na hayado ko homogeneous habade adum koi khangre natra function do koi x y yausalakpa natra plus aduga my form do koi kamai leba dy by dx some x to the power n natra tuga sida koi function nama haitare y by s ki mong daga smai lahan ba dx by dy waragana some function x by y ki term da lakpa ko sumi mong direct ta ga di hoji differential equation do homogeneous oi smai have ta hore solve to bu ta hore adu mathak ta natra homogeneous differential equation ki general solution puthokpa particular solution puthokpa ta hore do hoji 9.6 ta lakha do jina linear ne ko sita lakha do jina tra linear differential equation ha ji ko duna 9.4 de tawrai myam je khoi kano ngata ne khoi how to solve differential equation habagi matang da tare ko kamai solve to bani adigi general solution kamai puthokani khot kani leidena ko dumane aduna linear differential equation je magi dum type se khoi mazo ani lara khoi homogeneous ki domain hatare dy by dx not to be the dx by dy habagi mong da ko adum karne na je dum type 1 haga sum ko dy by dx plus dy is equal to q have form am lera ko sigi form da leba sida where p and q je kai no sida p and q je are kai mo je constant oi ba yai ko or kari some function of x haitar ko sigi p ga q ga je ko constant oi ba ju ai some function of x oi ba ju for example ko gi ko dy by dx plus plus maiga 6y ka harajini ko p to constant 6y re adu q jena some function nama ka to helajin ko x square ka haro ko smile bo be yare ko adu dy by dx plus adum y jum pham da koi kai hai tare adum sin x ka or jar ko sin x y is equal to kai so cos x ka haro ne ko smang or jar to sin some function of x tarak pra trigonometric function is a function of x ne x the level function ko so many ko smai la ka do ni ko sigi type sai tare type 1 jina dy by dx mong la leba duga p q jina kai wa constant wa yai na to na function of x wa ko for example si p la type 2 dana kamai taw yeng ji ko type 2 dana dx by dy hai ta ko dx by dy la ga na sida I px ha ko y ra ga na si y lak pa x ra ga ni x lak pa ko equal to q sida p dash q dash ha ga sida na where p dash q dash kai wa do ba moje su sa mane moje constants ne ko natragana kari function of y lakado si with respect to y then you differentiate this natra si ko then sina function of y or kado kana bahar kana khange ko dy by dx then with respect to x the way banina stela kado p dra q is a function of x or kado ko si kana ba type ani je si khangja lo aduga ko je la kado sina kamaina linear differential equation je kamaina solve tawani have report bani la kado how to solve hyperka si like ko solve to da koina ha ma da smaina puthoni ko step 1 da hyperka integrating factor nam le ko dum if and khang nei dum I dot f hyper integrating factor abadi kaina ta ima de e to the power integral asagi sigi da han taroge ko ta 1 gida sigi p je la ka do ko p dx with respect to x ko sigi da ora gana kai la ka ni p dy la ka do ni ko integrating factor puthoni aduga ani subda ko step ani subda ka da ni sida ko general solution la ka do ni sida ko general solution je putho ka do ni sida general solution abadi ko y ko la ni y into sigi integrating factor je siga purinarani aduga equal to kai integral masagi q dung la ko sida q into integrating factor dx to some constant of integration now adi some arbitrary constant now si step se taro hot ka do ni ko asi la le example mo ro sum yeng si ko access pi ding access pi ka jo khang bu de hel ni ko ado jo kra mamu ta na bai ta ko si step ni si kita hai ta ko si ner kan da hol ka do ni adi am hol yeng si ko example dum lai ba me lai te yo wa me te yeng question to find the general solution of the differential equation and pyramid dy by dx minus y is equal to cos x ko mun study to om changi mun ne yeng person observe to om changi ko pyramid je linear differential loibra leidana ko homogeneous ki mong de pyramid homogeneous loibra ko di yeng tare ko na mun si yeng to ko dum khang ame linear is a linear equation war atra linear differential equation war by the first order si je ko first order linear differential equation ne ko tai je ko si ke mong da le ge ong sa p here type 1 dy by dx plus px is equal to q having mong da le si je yani bro yani ko si da si mong thang si de plus le mana minus le sama ni ko minus kan o hela lor plus haraga si je minus 1 thambe minus 1 into x natra q is in adum some function of x hai ta cos x or q is in a cos x p is in a kai ta minus 1 ya ko bida ham step ta ka dawi first step ta ko si hot bida solve tor ko do ni ko solving step 1 da ka dawi ko integrating factor puthoi natra integrating factor if so okay e to the power integral kari e to the power integral p dx lakpa natra sida p or je kai tare minus 1 dx adudi si kai tare e to the power minus 1 gi integration dx tare ko e to the power minus x mala step 2 the ka dawi magi general solution puthoi sida natra mala pa y into integrating factor is equal to integral ji formula ko q into integrating factor dx some arbitrary constant natra y je dum thamman integrating factor hoji ta ge photo isalo e to the power minus x then q isalo q je kai tare cos x tare integrating factor into ko e to the power minus x okay dx plus constant this is the level pot je si ka darni cos x some function na ni pi jong te ganam te function ama ka exponential function amaga kai dorone sida ilet palaga hotpado kai koi integration by parts kuste palaka de integration by parts dorone integration by parts palaje si to gana holaje ko cos x into e to the power x into the minus x and target for dx adu is kana first function wa ni ilet palo integration by parts de ko ilet chi yang ka do ni ko kana ko han lege yang ni trigonometric function na first la exponential na last la exponential ga trigonometric kan le trigonometric function na priorities mo na pier ni adi sina first function wa ni u wa ni sina v do do ni atra v cos x na u sina v de han ko le u integral ko abati h cos x integral v si mayam pa ngre mamang ju ko minus integral है dy dx of पहला u को अब the cos x integral e to the power minus x वो शायद dx में वाले को integral dx देखो whole dx को यार है the cos x e to the power minus x की integration दिखाता है नहीं integral e to the power x e to the power x sunta jai then e to the power minus x sunta jani minus s ki differentiation tawraga chain rule lido ko minus 1 tadra differentiation de si minus 1 puri sala kadone integration de makara divide la ne contra minus 1 divide la kadone do minus 1 yen by do minus tado minus s ko na pa ga thing sama ga step sa sine integral cos x ki differentiation di minus sin x kya ko e to the power minus x ki jo amu minus e to the power minus x falani ko do the whole dx the minus cos x e to the power x na mang thamage e to the power minus x minus of e to the power minus x cos x ko the amuka jo mo si ke dorne si minus minus plus ka ko minus minus plus that is sin x into e to the power minus x layer dx ko amuka jo integration by parts star ne bisi ko atra amuka jo integration by parts um pala ne bisi do sine do first function tar second function tar ko next sama kyong sin x layer ni e to the power minus x ki di minus e to the power minus x thola ni integral atra the minus minus integral okay dy dx of sin x की differentiation di cos x यानी को cos x तो integral e to the power minus x ना करो to the power minus x के दी minus e to the power minus x में थोड़ा ने तो whole dx ये को देखो चला इसे I see the I1 in Lorama pipe. She's I1 in Logan. Go. Still, you basically integral cos x into e to the power minus x has a go. Because integration by pass palaiva, see integral I in Logan. I1 in Logan. Go. I1 in what are you go? Implies that I1 is equal to Kaitara minus e to the power minus x cos x. She minus allows minus minus plus at cranny con e to the power minus x sin x minus plus atau sisi hantar itu minus plus lah ni ko plus tu kasi minus segum tahu di minus lah minus integral e to the power minus x cos x dx ya ko jadi si e to the power minus x sin x sihan thamage mathang minus e to the power minus x cos x minus harga sidi kana ga mane sai lau gi basi pot I1 do ne basi natra I1 jo cos x e to the power minus x cos x e to the power minus x si I1 ne ya ko si I1 sin jale hoje left side ta I1 ne bele si I1 som thanja la di I1 ani tisinarani twice I1 la ya ko thus I1 is equal to kai lai stigi e to the power minus s common lo tho jadi kai lai sin x minus cos x atra jadi I1 puto kai ta ga di e to the power minus x sin x minus cos x ko upon 2 no divide tarani jare I1 phange sita sinjala je do sai ki general solution hola iba ko integrating factor ga isala hola iba pham he si equation nei 1 thar from 1 this sinjala ni natra isai de isala ge chala lage ko from 1 upon this hello y e to the power minus x is equal to I1 plus c lakpane I1 upon the e to the power minus x sin x minus cos x upon 2 plus constant of integration chilai ko adudi cj mai split to ya ge yengsi cj y haraga e power the negative exponent se positive olang ge ta makha da puthagan e to power x haning bra cju e to power minus s se makha da putharo 2 to the power x la negative exponent je positive olang ge di makha putharo patham makha karkum da to da koi power je sign change to ko ego masi positive olang di makha putharo da negative olang ka do ni natra the matak ta lai je sin x minus cos x plus constant of integration e to the power x ko pe adri ko e to the power x sumle jare itar e to the power s mahang e to the power s tan loi puri sala each and every term on both sides e to the power s tan loi puri sala e to the power s le kakrani y is equal to c to the power s kakrani natra la ka de sin x minus cos x ko by 2 plus c to the power s pusale c into e to the power x la ne so ai ko ji phangi ba solution je sine sum oya ba si jina general solution ta re hoje ki linear differential equation solution de na ko ka dai ka minus solve ta we linear differential equation je ko ya ham ba integrating factor ham pathoi e to the power integral kai lak pa p ko p dx aduga mathang ki general solution pathora ni step 2 da ko y into kai integrating factor is equal to kai lak pa integral q dong lak pa q into integrating factor ko purina ba aduga dx plus kai constant ko angani ko step sa smart le hola ka do ni so this question 5 horoje exercise 9.6 question number 1 for each of the differential equation given in exercises 1 to 12 question number 1 de question number 12 po hai tare question 1 question number 12 fa je general solution po thoy p sing je ko ye linear differential equation nga tadi wadu ne ko dy by dx plus 2y is equal to sin x classical mong de dy by dx plus py is equal to q mong de tra p ga q ga je constant over ya the some function of x over have the ko adi ji ka yani the given differential equation is of the form hatare ko kai mong de kai form da dy by dx plus px is equal to q have a c form de le aduna p ga kai tare sinjalo yare dum so where kai tare p is equal to p is in 2 tare ko and q is equal to q is in sin x ko q is in a function of x ke mong de la p is in some constant ama ko 2 adu chida ko na integrating factor bu thoje aham step to ko integrating factor if and thara ko samna ko integrating factor kai tare e to the power integral p dx neba lay the formula ko adi e to the power integral p upon the 2 dx adi e to the power kai tare twice x tare ya ko negative factor put hai to ji kai la ne now we required ko required differential equation has required differential equation kita bisa y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus constant sini bala ida atra lagi step number 2 lo ko kita ko sinjalani pham jida atra integrating factor pham na sinjalani e to the power 2x q pham dang sa q sina sin x to ni ko matara khatara ani aduga mo integration by parts la ka do ni y into integrating factor e to the power twice x ko integrating q d sin x integrating factor e to the power twice x plus constant this is in I1 lossel lage I1 plus C in ko equation 1 thara gaya which I1 ki wala zi ko fida ko integration by parts thara ne ko integration by parts using integration by parts ko we have I1 to kai ga manara I let paladi the function na hale ko sin exponential function ni the function first function wara ne the sin x into e to the power twice x dx is equal to kai tare first function sin x samgyong ko u integral v sine v with the ko e to the power twice x integration d e to the power twice x so 2x gi 2 thola ni 2 na maka divide la ya ko the integral dy dx of sin x ki dy dx the cos x tare ya ko the integral e to the power twice x formula do ko second function ki natra dy dx of first function integral second function e to the power twice x ki e to the power twice x upon 2 sila ya ko duga sigi whole dx aga sambo jo haitai ko direct integration by pass pala ho lu ka hata de si dum ko in first function na sini ga law kita ko ra hota si di ko a differential equation ho pe ausala pe na ko dum samba ka su kai de ko adudi kai lai nga jo lai je I1 ko is equal to si half sin x natra into e to the power twice x minus si jo half pa thoro integral cos x e to the power twice x amuka jum pan tare sida integration amuka jum integration by pass pan de ne sin x e to the power twice x minus half sida jum first function cos x lorani ko the cos x integral e to the power twice x e to the power twice x upon 2 lani minus integral differentiation of cos x t minus sin x ya ko integral e to the power twice x e to the power twice x e to the power twice x upon 2 ya ko dx which lies I1 is equal to half sin x e to the power twice x minus half when you put the 1 by 4 la halage 1 by 4 cos x into e to the power twice x la halage ko sini jigi minus plus ni amu minus mu purisal de minus plus minus mulan minus sigi half is put horage sammage ko minus half और सिगी हाफ तो गा सिगी हाफ का पुरुषल तो वाले 1 by 4 ला आनी अत्रा 1 by 4 integral sin x into e to the power 2x का dx इसी क्वेश्चन में आ रहा हूँ I1 is equal to half sin x e to the power twice x minus 1 by 4 cos x into e to the power twice x minus 1 by 4 haraga sidi kai ga manare integral sin x e to the power twice x integral sin x into e to the power twice x I1 ga mane logora si je ko I1 isalani yare ko I1 si minus 1 by 4 I1 som thangja lo I1 plus 1 by 4 I1 is equal to half sin x e to the power twice x minus 1 by 4 cos x e to the power twice x. Let's see for simplify toro kya tare 4 kon 5 by 4 I1 tare kon chumega dugo jile je half sin x e to the power twice x minus 1 by 4 cos x into e to the power twice x sinivalize si je mo ko equation 1 je sinjala kanda natra do si inje komalo to thamamje kiran ko kene to no adi ke komalo ba ya ga yo sidigi 1 by 4 lo thok ta ga di 2 mla pa de lak tinga da ho ko mo ha de 4 le mana na bai ta adu ismain taros 5 by 4 I1 ko 1 by 4 e to the power twice as common lo thok again 1 by 2 ni leje 1 by 2 di 1 by 4 lo by di kai ta 2 daraba si 2 thola ne 2 4 ga hedi 1 by 4 ga 2 ga puina ga yong 1 by 2 ta bro ta dra si 2 sin x le har ne e to power x e to power twice x lo thok ra ne ko e to power twice lo thok ra दी minus 1 by 4 e to the power twice as parallel for khamina cos x tang le har yani ko je leja दी si 4 se manghang ro yare I1 thamoro e to the power twice x ida si 5 sin makha da divide lo ko twice sin x yan tai ko 1 by 2 digi 1 by 4 common lo wa jong dum phu si 2 la ka do ne hai puri sala ga han ta bro tai ko minus cos x sineva I1 value ko I1 value is move from equation 1 to sinjala ko from equation 1 haras from 1 which is y into e to the power twice x is equal to I1 that's right I1 plus c I1 plus c I1 from the whole isala yeah e to the power twice x by 5 e to the power twice x by 5 integral to sin 2 sin x minus cos x later 2 sin x cos x look at plus constant of integration cos arbitrary constant si sinjale sidigi kadaroni e to the power twice x mathak ta leibo poni si kak khiba yana na ba ho ko si LCM lo tho atraga e to the power twice x na divide to thok ra both side ta ko is in every term to e to the power twice x na divide to here is e to the power twice x divide to ro from the e to the power twice x na divide to ro ko C the zoo is in every term on both sides I thought e to the power twice as the loy divide to 1 here ko e to the power twice as ka kra si ka kra actually the y tang le hore si the 1 by 5 le twice sin x minus cos x ko si ka kala di c e to the power minus twice x la etc we answer is so minus thamba male c e to the power minus twice x ko chalo sala this is which is the question of the general solution lo patwa bane ko which is the required general solution ko ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯉꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯐꯦꯛꯇꯔ integration by parts ꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯏꯀꯣ integration by parts ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯁꯁꯦ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔ ꯍꯣꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯣꯠꯄꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ e to the power ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ e to the power ax sin bx dx ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ e to the power ax ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯄꯣꯟ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ab ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔ ꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯤꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯦꯠ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ a sin bx minus b cos bx ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯦꯟꯠ ꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯣꯠꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯈꯤꯗꯣ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ integral sin x e to the power s ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ e to the power twice x sin x ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥ ꯄꯥꯟꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯁꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ a ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯅꯤ aꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ax 2 ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ a ꯀꯣ bꯅ b ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ b ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ sin x ꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯡꯒꯜꯗꯨꯒꯤ x ꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯣ ꯀꯣꯏꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯟ 1 ꯑꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣ bꯅ 1 ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯟꯁꯜꯂꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯏꯁꯜꯂꯁꯦ e to the power ax ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ 2x upon a square plus b1 a square ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ 2 square plus b square 1 square ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ a ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ 2 sin b ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ 1 b ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ 1 ꯀꯣ cos b ꯁꯨ 1 cos x ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ plus constant ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯦ e to the power twice x upon ꯁꯤꯗꯤ 4 plus 1 5 ꯑꯗꯨ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ꯭ꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ i1 ꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯣꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ i1ꯁꯦ i1ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ integration by parts ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯁꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ e to the power somethingꯒ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯄꯨꯔꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ sin x ꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ sin x ꯀꯤꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯋꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯑꯅꯤꯀꯣ y ꯏꯟꯇꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯐꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥꯗꯤ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯈꯪꯅꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕꯅꯤ integration ꯄꯥꯔꯥꯗꯒ ꯌꯥꯎꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯤꯐꯣꯡ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯗꯤꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯁꯟꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯣ ꯗꯤꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯗꯤꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯟꯁꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯣ ꯖꯦꯟ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ question number 2 ꯁꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯣꯠꯂꯛꯑꯒꯦ dy by dx plus 3y is equal to e to the power minus twice x. This is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Q is some function of x, exponential function. The given differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q where p kay tare p is 3 tare yung mapa compare taw yung odong ko q is compare taw yung kay tare and q is equal to e to the power minus twice x. There you go. Therefore integrating factor putos integrating factor e to the power integral p dx e to the power integral p d3 dx e to the power 3x e to the power twice x sina integrating factor wala 이것이 라지 required differential equation 진짜 general solution 부터거든요. general solution 부터 스텝스네요. 거기는 진짜 required differential equation 뭐 되실까? required differential equation. अते required general solution 하다래. required general solution of the differential equation 하거든. actually my tao required differential equation. 이 differential equation에 pyramid solve tau리네 너트라. required general solution 하거든 시즈가 of the differential equation. of the linear differential equation. 하자. 근데 거기다가 general solution 붙었거든요. jadi kayak formula ko ay y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus constant y integrating factor e to the power thrice x q have the q have the e to the power minus twice x into integrating factor e to the power thrice x dx plus constant jadi base panare power ni kadawan into the power ni scenario ni minus twice x plus 3x dx plus constant lara sidika y e to the power thrice x is equal to the integral minus 2x plus 3 e to the power x star e to the power x की integration दी e to the power x plus c y e to the power thrice x both side the y e to the power thrice x and log divided to dividing each and every term on both sides by e to the power thrice x. 이거 그래 y 따라 거 cd base panare divide the power 그도 subtract to e to the power x minus 3x to minus 2x 따라 이거 calculate the c e to the power minus 3x which is the required attract. should either required general solution of the given linear differential equation. Question number 3. 3 divided dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square. 이 줄라이라 시주 거기 general solution 붙었거든요. 그렇지 폼제 kitang 그 bx की मोंग by plus q की मोंग लेथरी से kitang हम समझो हम को यदि कोई by लाकते हैं तो 1 by x सारा y फाइन थमना पड़ेगा 1 by x y या को is equal to x squared में जा रहा है function सिने q आ रहा है सिने p आ रहा है को यार को सिजु which is the linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q mong the where the p is p is 1 by x star q is x squared yeah go integrating factor, therefore integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral p dx p d 1 by x की integration दे e to the power log x सुमाइल ले बिसे कोई सी x का माना नहीं e की power log पे यार कोई सी बेस e ले लो एकदम का log of है कैसे लाइव पोतो अतुना ऐसा हो दो e to the power something का सी प्रूफ से मुताबिक जरा सी से नई नई क्लास कल यो बरा सेंटा लगे से कोई e to the power कोई some log x है तारे सी कमाने x टाइम हो सी प्रूफ तो हो गया जो prove that निष्पादन ते तारे ला समझने वो कर नुआया रहे उनको कमाने माने ही में तो कितने प्रूफ तो रहा ती कोई चीज़ x ता दोने बको चीज़ सी प्रूफ तो ना बात तारे कोई ना लक्षण लगे let e to the power log x से some z को some quantity ama higher ko some set ko ga mana ta lower log lo sa lo sida taking log both side the log lo sa log e to the power log s laser left side right side is log lo sa log z la natra as you can see log x is mamang the law ya log x into log e is equal to log z sika you know question mana log a to the power b have is so power yo power le po ko mamang the fan lak pa atro b log a natra adi b into log a have go mane madu sa mane si e ki power jo mamang the lak point log ki si log si mamang the lak point log x se mamang the lak point ya ko law of logarithm pa le ni ko log a to the power b is b log a tham ya adu sa mane ko log x mamang la power ko log x into log e is equal to z log x log e ga si base ko si e le log kem e da ko na ko natural logarithm da adri base ko kanu ga mana ta ra ga di ko log ta si 1 ta in log natra 1 equal to log z di ko ji phang ji ko na log x is equal to log z log ka kya hai x ka z ka mana hai natra adri ga sai log hi ba ko se let log hi ba z na pham ji da x in ja lo ya habdi e to the power log x se z habdi x ka mana hai x ta hai isme log hai then e power is my level ko isme log suppose ko e to the power log aga isme aga x square le ne si answer is x square ta do ni yan dai ko log of aga le ram mi poto adun answer ho do e ki power karam ta ga log se ko adun si e ki power log x le x ta hai ya ko adun si la je required general solution puthok pagi ko like y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus constant y integrating factor di hoji ta x star hai ko q have the x square integrating factor have the x star hai natra dx plus c the base mana power is 2 plus 1 is 3 x cube dx plus c let's keep the integration the 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 ys ni lai ko the yx is equal to x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c which is minus normal answer ka xy yx yeah so now which is the required general solution question 4 is general solution puto kada ni si ju lina differential equation oibra an yeng asi ko dy by dx plus py equal to q gi mong da la natra kidum chanta lage ko which is a linear differential equation of the form ko form dy by dx plus py is equal to q have a form the layer natra where p ni kaino q ni kaino le thos p is equal to kai tar sec x and q is in a tan x so na ko tigam ti function of x to le layer ko integrating factor po thos integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral p dx ni natra e to the power integral p have is sec x dx CS की इंटीग्रेशन देखो ये तो होगा माने log sec x plus tan x यानी क्या सिकन तो यावर से फॉर्मूला से कोई एक्सरसाइज 7 पॉइंट नत्र इंटीग्रेशन की 7.2 नत्र 7.3 ये कावर सब साव 7.2 दी मांगे तो अतुग साइड e to the power log of लागता रहा दी नत्रा हो जितो का कितो 3 दिन ता कितो का सिल बेस e ले log दिन log का e का कान का कान सिले ले पोसे लाग का देने मसा e to the power log x ले मतलब x ता रा e to the power log x square ता दे x square ता देने this is के ना ता ने sec x plus tan x ता है integrating factor सी ता है का अदो जिला जे required general solution का My formula is lower ry into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c y integrating factor di kai tare sec x plus tan x natra q mafamda tan x integrating factor sec x plus tan x dx plus constant sidi matang purisalo tan x sec x tan x sini sidong purisalo tan square x star natra dx plus constant sidi amam laksala integral se ka sidam laro integral tan square x dx plus constant sec tan x integration di ko direct line formula sidum ko kai ga mane sec x ka mane natra sec x star tan square x ki direct integration to later when you see ko tan square je ko kana on sala je we trigonometry identity ko yama pythagorean relation am lay natra 1 plus tan square theta kai mana sec square theta ka mana natra adiri tan square theta kai mana ni sec square theta 1 thalo minus 1 adiri tan square theta from the sec square theta minus 1 adiri tan square x beta the sec square x minus 1 ulan ya ko sec x plus cd integral amom loro sec square x ki di integration lay natra minus 1 gi loro this sec x plus sec square x ki integration di kai tai sec tai tan tai ko chi jap sa formula le ko ke tan x ki differentiation to sec square x ta bane kangi ko to sec x ki differentiation no sec x tan x ta aduna integration loro ga di hala ko inverse ni natra sec square x ki integration di tan x minus 1 gi di x tholani plus constant so kana ji lay je left side to y whole sec x plus tan x which is the required general solution natra y sec x plus tan x equal to sec x plus tan x minus x plus c is the required general solution ta